Sanibonani lapho emakhaya, sanibonani sibuyile Durban Network. Uyazi ke Durban Network podcast yakho emnandi ekhuluma indaba zakhona la eThekwini namaphethelo. Igama ke usiyabonga ngihamba no
Sabela umfokandabasi.
Usabela umfokandabasi sengingakhohlwa lapho emakhaya ukuthi lolu hlelo lwethu o le podcast yethu Durban Network is proudly sponsored by Native Guards, inkampani yama security bathi your shield of safety.
Mfowethu sibonga kakhulu ku Native Guard ukuthi baxhase lo hlelo benze konke ukuthi kube possible ngoba okubalekile ukuthamunda indaba sibazisa abantu baseThekwini ukuthi kwenzakalani eThekwini, kwenzakalani eKZN, kwenzakalani eSouth Africa namaphethelo.
Welcome to Native Guards, your trusted partner in security and protection. With over 4 years of experience, we've been proudly securing businesses, events, and homes with unmatched dedication. At Native Guards, we provide a wide range of security solutions tailored to meet your needs. Our team of dedicated professionals ensures that your safety is always our top priority. From armed and unarmed security officers ensuring peace and order, to our swift armed reaction teams ready to respond to emergencies, we've got you covered. Need protection for high-profile individuals? Our expert bodyguards and VIP protection services deliver discreet and reliable security wherever you go. We also believe in keeping communities safe with our precinct community policing initiatives, building a safer environment for everyone. For events, we offer highly trained special events security and venue bouncers to ensure safety and control in every situation. Get in touch with us today for personalized security solutions. We are located at 2030 Diaconia Center, Durban. Call us at 0677955946 or 0784026712 or visit nativeguards.com for more information.
Kunjalo mfowethu indaba enkulu mfowethu esizitholile esivuka kuzo kodwa asivuki kuzo ngoba indaba impela sezikhona nyana isikhathi ukuthi lapha kuMuvhango, one of ama soapies asehlale isikhathi eside eTV ka SABC khona lapha ku SABC2 thiwa kumile ukushutha ngenxa yokuthi ama actors akhala ngokuthi awakhokhela.
Jeez bro, like into ezenzakala lezi izinto esizibonayo isikhathi esiningi kuma different production houses zenzeka lezi zinto but then you had to bear in mind as well ukuthi sometimes singayibuka ngento yokuthi kugxekwa ama production houses but uthola ukuthi ekugcineni kwelanga nawo kukhona umuntu owaholelayo, you know. The broadcaster nayo is to held responsible or accountable of such things ngoba ungathola ukuthi ayikhokheli nje i-production house naye akakhokhela i-broadcaster, you know. We don't know the real story behind it ukuthi why bengakhokhelwe kwenzakaleni but esikubonayo sibona sebe boycotta ukushootha for which it just paints a bad picture kakhulu kubantu abalandela imbango because like phazamiseka ama episode uhlelo and everything ziningi izinto ezithintekayo and bear in mind ukuthi lento eyenzekayo ingagcina seyakha into ethize esikhathini esilandelayo uthola sekunama actors azoxoshwa uthola iwona uthola ukuthi aye behind ukuboycotta ukushootha production yakho.
Don't you think ukuthi mhlambe lento njenga nokuthi uMuvhango sowudlala isikhathi eside we know ukuthi ubaba uDuma kaNdlovu he's the guy behind uMuvhango ukuthi mhlambe khona indlela engcono abengenza ngayo considering mhlambe ubuhlobo anabo neSABC.
Yeah, precisely. More especially njenganomuntu oyiguru ku-acting industry okanye run a production house. So I think one would think ukuthi i-word of mouth yona itself ine muscle eyanele financially ukuthi noma ngabe kuba nama problems ekutheni delay ama payment or whatsoever akwazi yena ukuthi ngephakethe nje le company akwazi ukuthi akhokhe abasebenzi ba.
Mhlambe lento it speaks to ama productions ukuthi awayigcini mhlambe imali awabi yini nesikhwama mhlambe lento isitshela lokho.
Yes kungenzeka lokho bear in mind ukuthi maningi ama-cost akherwa ama-production houses for which loko kunga-result ekutheni noma befuna ukuyigcina imali but uthole ukuthi kuba nzima. Remember ukuthi u-SABC wona straight njengane-broadcaster Muvhango okuwukuthi sikubona kuyona uvamile ukuba ney'nkinga when it comes to paying ama-production houses. Mhlampe loku has immensely affected i-company ukuthi igcine ingakwazi ukwenza mhlawumpe ukugcina imali ngendlela ekufanele ngabe igcina ngayo, kodwa asisazi isizathu ekugcineni kwelanga ukuthi kwenziwe yini, kungani uDumandlovu noma i-production as a whole igcine seyidileya ukukhokhela abasebenzi, but sizozwa-ke maqhubeka isikhathi.
Yes babukeli, sizozwa ngempela maqhubeka isikhathi njengoba uSabelo esho. Siyazi ukuthi kuzoba nama-interviews azoba khona kukhulunywa ngalento, mhlawumbe bazogcina bekhuluma naye ubaba uDumandlovu who is behind Muvhango yona-ke i-word of mouth productions. Mfowethu kuthiwa sekuphinde kwaboshwa abasolwa abathathu kulaba akade bevezwe amaphoyisa ukuthi bayafuneka kanzima mayelana necala lokubulawa kwabantu abawu-18 khona lapha eLusikisiki.
Yes mfowethu, ngike ngasibona phela nami leso story ukuthi sekuphinde kwaney'nsizwa ey'ntathu ey'boshiwe, kade kuboshwe ey'ntathu ezazi kade edwe ensizweni yokuqala ekuyiyona eyaboshwa, for which it makes a total of 7 people who has been arrested ngawo le case lo. Okushaqisayo-ke laba abathathu ababoshwe kokugcinwa babanjwe nezibhamu ey'nkulu eziwu-4 okubalwa ama-AK amathathu ekungaphinde kusoleke ukuthi mhlawumpe ngelanga lalesigameko izibhamu ezinye zezibhamu ezasetshenziswa. Sibhekile ukuthi mhlawumpe-ke kuzogcina kuvela bonke abantu aba-involved, because okunye sikubukayo mangabe when we zoom into this story ukuthi there seems to be a motive behind the story. Not ukuthi abantu abavele nje suddenly babulawa. You might find ukuthi mhlawumpe it family wars and stuff, into esingeke size siyazi, kodwa kuyabonakala ukuthi labantu laba babekade bethunyiwe. Babekade bethunywe ubani? Mhlambe ngabe kulabantu laba benze lento omunye okade ebathumile umuntu ophakathi kubona, noma it can be someone owabaqasha ezinkabi mawuyibheka. Umuyibuka nangendlela engathi ihosheka ngawo ukuthi phela ngeke siqiniseke yonke into esizwa mangabe ishiwa abantu, noma mhlawumbe into esesiyoyiconfirma ema-court noma ngandlela thize yoqhamuka ngayo. Okuvelayo ukuthi ngathi ukhona omunye kulabafana ekuwukuthi they have been already convicted, okubukeke ngathi ukule family engathi iyona behind kahle kahle ukuthi kuze kugcine kudubuleka labantu abawu-18, for which ngeke siqinisekise, kodwa ikhona into evelayo ecishe ibe njalo ukuthi ujuthe vele abantu mhlawumbe akade vele enza nabo ukuganga, kodwa uthola ukuthi usubajuthela into eqondene nefamily yakhe.
What does this say about umthetho wethu amaphoyisa? Sibuke ngathi i-process yokutholakala kwalabantu isheshile, kuthini lo?
Ishesha kakhulu le process eSouth Africa njalo. I-case uma ike yaqala afinyelela ku-media yayi-talk of the town, njalo sihlale sibona umthetho ushesha, okuchaza ukuthi labantu laba they do have enough resources ukuthi bangabopha abantu. It's just that they just need a little push, for which you wonder why kufanele babe ne push abazoba nayo, because it's their responsibility, I mean, ukuthi babophe abantu abenza into ezingalungile.
Awungitshela kungani eSouth Africa abantu bethanda i-entertainment ukudlula into eyifundisayo? Sesidlulile kweyase Eastern Cape, but siyabona ukuthi i-research impela isho njalo ukuthi eSouth Africa abantu they are more interested entweni ze-entertainment more than into eyifundisayo.
Hey, it's a pity one, and like we live to that reality, to be honest. I wish mhlawumbe khona into engashintsha, but kunjalo, you know, but I think kakhulukazi there are factors that are contributing to that, you know. Si abantu abamnyama, we are getting what we can call an intro. Why am I saying this is an intro? Almost everything eyenzakalayo isas exciter, ukuhlala emadolobheni, ukuhamba imjive, zonke lezo zinto ziyam excite umuntu omnyama. Remember ukuthi sibuya kwi oppression, you know. Black person was a slave. I think, I mean, 70% or 80% of black people were merely a slave, and they still behaving like slaves, you know. So uzocabanga mangabe uintroducer izinto kumuntu onomqondo ocindezelekile, ngoba sihleze sisho sithi akukho ukubaleka kokukhuleka komuntu njenganokukhuleka kwengqondo, for which mangabe ubuyela kubantu abamnyama you find most of the time we are still colonized ngokomqondo, for which into eyiningi ke mayifika kanje zizos excite ingqondo zethu ayivulelekile or ayivulekile kangaka. Kwenza ke lokho ukuthi ke sigcine manje yonke into efikayo siyithatha ngamaphaphu aphezulu, whereas kumele ngabe siya relaxa, whereas kumele ngabe siyahlala phansi si observe, look to a way ukuthi thina so engage kanjani kulezo zinto esezivezwa kuthina. But yonke into social media siya exaggerate, ama-party siya exaggerate, we exaggerating alcohol as well, everything we are exaggerating because kuthina sa introduceka kulento siphuma kwenye indawo kade nzima kakhulu.
Yeah, I think usasho nje leyo nto mhlambe kakhulu ngiyalithanda ulithintile le alcohol ngoba it's one of into enokushiwo kakhulu abantu abavakashile la ababuya kulawa amanye amazwe ukuthi kuyaphuza eSouth Africa. Mhlambe lokho kuyipainta kanjani eSouth Africa to the outside world ukuthi idume njenga nezwe eliconsume ialcohol kakhulu.
Kakhulu nje into enjengaleyo. I think one thing eyenza kubantu ekuhlaleni in general yenza salele emuva, because ezinye izizwe zithi zifocusa ifuna ukushintsha impilo zazo, zifuna ukushintsha ishape yomnotho or ioutlook yomnotho, zifuna ukudevelopa izwe ukuthi nasemuva, because we spend a lot of time sisemathaveni, we spend a lot of time sithi we are going out and stuff, having that excessive booze, you know, skothless, you know, because like once abantu babaningi baphuza alcohol, no ukuthi labo bantu they are being switched off. So like isikhathi ekumele ngabe siyasetshenziswa or siyayutilizwa mhlawumbe, I mean, to create things that are progressive, sisuke sesivalelekile leso sikhathi. So ngokwami personally I think yonke lento ibonisa abantu bokuhamba abafika ukuthi sisizwe esingekho serious, sisizwe esingafuni ukucompete nezinye izizwe, because once sesifuna kushintshe izinto kuyofanele utshwala ngempela sibehlise, because sisalele emuva ngempela South Africa, and so qhubeka sisalele emuva if really alcohol is soyenza i-subject of the day.
Omunye akuphikise, ake ngenze example, one of the popular radio presenters khona lapha kwiGagasi FM ekhona la eThekwini, uFelix Hlophe, wathi yena utshwala uphuza ngoba buyamsiza ukuthi akwazi ukusocialize, ayendaweni afika socialize, ukusocialize lokho kumenza ukuthi athole more gigs, akwazi ukondla umndeni wakhe. Mhlawumbe ithi ngaleyo nto kubantu abathi utshwala buyindlela eright yokusocialize.
Yeah, it's true. Utshwala kuyindlela eright vele yokusocialize. I remember gone are those days mawuye tavern wazi ukuthi kuyophuzwa kuphela. There are instances whereby uzofica abantu who are progressive, who are thinking like you. Mhlawumbe ufica abantu futhi abasesigabeni salento ofuna ukufika kuyona, you know. And kuba kuhle mawuzobafica mhlawumbe otshwaleni because ilabe khululeke khona, labe kwazi even khona ukuthi bakhulume ngawo. So singasho sithi somewhere somehow endaweni zotshwala ezinye, especially lezi ezi-premium, you know, so they are now serve as like a medium of networking. So kuyasiza, yeah, it does help you to network. However, we need to look at the numbers. We look to balance the percentage. Abantu abaningi baphuzelana utshwala. Abantu abanjengaye mhlawumbe uFelix Hlophe ekuwukuthi mabephuza abaphuzela emqondweni bangakanani. We had to balance those numbers. Once safuna ukuthi sithathe ngokuthi abantu abawu5 abantu abawu100 babe yo networker while u95 wonke uyodakwa nje, sizobe senza wrong because sizofuna ukucontrola ama stats ngabantu abancane ekubeni majority is going the wrong direction.
Yes balaleli ababukeli bayo ke iDurban network usho kanjalo ke uSabelo Ndabase. Mfowethu ake ngikhumbuze abantu emakhaya ukuthi ningakhohlwa njalo ukusubscribe khona la kuyona YouTube channel yethu. Share, ningakhohlwa nje ukushare mawuthola nje ivideo yethu khona ku YouTube, share it to as many people as you can, ngoba yiko esikhula ngako lokho, sikwazi nathi ukumonitize lapha kuthiwe nje kancane sithi ukuthola amasenti injalo lento. Mhlambe khona into engimele sibhekeke nje sesiya kweza seParliament, siyezwa kuthiwa ufana Mkwena oyi MP ye-EFF khona eParliament usethe wa resign. Ithini leyo nto nge-EFF qeda ukuvotwa manje abantu they are ngathi nje ngekudala bebefungiswa ungena eParliament. Sincane kakhulu lesikhathi ukuthi singabona sekunomuntu oresignayo but sesiyabona njalo. Ithini lento?
Singeke ke size sazi kahle ngoba asikazi izizathu zakhe ukuthi mhlawumbe indaba egcine eshiya eParliament. However, into ekumele sibheke ukuthi over the years EFF on their existence kuloko vele kunawo lokubamba nokudonsisana. I think we can call it a battle of ideas, you know. Inhlangano egcwele abantu abasha, inhlangano egcwele abantu abacabangayo, you know. So kaningi kuyavela ukuthi akusi ukubanga izikhundla kuphela futhi nako kunganixabanisa nama ideas nawo, you know. Angakwazi ukunixabanisa. Mhlambe kungenzeka ukuthi somewhere somehow ufeel ukuthi EFF noma ukuba imember yeParliament it doesn't do justice for him, because ngabe mhlambe sikhuluma a much open story uma kuthiwa resign as an EFF member, but he resigned as a parliamentarian, for which we don't know. Mhlambe singase sesizweni resignation nak EFF. Mhlambe futhi ke singabheka iParliament kuyasetshenzwa kakhulu. So ufana Mkwena uke waba nenye profession ayena. Mhlambe at this stage he feels ukuthi ufuna ukuthi mhlambe akhumbuze abantu ukuthi uba okanye mhlambe abuyele kuleyo profession, for which iParliament mhlambe in that sense liyambambezela scheduling yakhona it too much for him and stuff. We don't know the reason. We'll only zoom in once we know the reason and come up with the full details.
Do we know if he was part of the EFF kule period edlulile le mhlambe yama before lama elections? Was he there eParliament noma uyafika?
Ubekhona. I think he was about to serve his third term. It's his third term, if not the second, if I'm not mistaken. But he has been there beloke khona eParliament. That's why I'm saying mhlawumbe ukuthi eParliament ischeduling yakhona igcina imvimbi ukuthi mhlawumbe aperform amanye ama professions for which he would love to expect. So ezinye zezizathu ezingaqhamuka lapho, kodwa ke njengoba sisho ukuthi mhlawumbe once esazi isizathu esicishe siqonde ukuthi why ephumile eParliament singabe mhlawumbe sesizuma in sibheke ukuthi sibona kanjani ngalezo zizathu.
Yeah, sixhaswe i-Native Guards inkampani yama security ningakhohlwa lapha emakhaya. It's Durban network. Siyanetworka ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ningakhohlwa ukulike ama videos and share them to as many people as you can. Mfowethu siyazwa kuthiwa uManqoba Mnqithi uziphendulele enkulumweni kaHugo Bruce okade ekhuluma ngathi uyamtshela ukuthi kumele adlalise bapha abadlali.
Hugo Bruce, as much as ehlonishwa, but sometimes he just like these, I mean, funny statements whereby he would try and mediate indawo engafanele ngabe uyamediate kuzona okanye stepping into somebody's territory and stuff, you know, for which I think it's very silly of him. uManqoba, I understand that Sundowns, he has been there, he needs to be respected, he has worked with the team so many years, so uyayazi into ayenzayo, you know, so izathu zezinto azenzayo unazo. I think futhi the technical team at Sundowns and even our party as well, they do understand ukuthi why enza izinto azenzayo. Somewhere somehow even the players that Hugo Bruce was talking about ayazi now ukuthi why okwenzekile kugcine kwenzekile, but I think it was bold of him Manqoba Mnqithi to stand up for himself. As a man, you need to, I mean, show that you have balls. Uzikhulumela umuntu mangabe ukuthi ufile ngathi mhlawumbe uya undermine ubukhona bakho kuleyo ndawo and stuff. But I think Hugo Bruce got the message because Manqoba is where he is, not because he's a fluke. He's a good coach and he's a man who understands his philosophies. So he must also stand by his decision. Ngoba uyazi ukuthi lawo ma decision yini ebanga ukuthi afike lapho.
Bafana bekumele win kwigame yakade idlala neCongo, yathola idraw. Abantu bashinto ezihlukene ku social media ngeperformance. Mhlambe wena in your capacity, how would you analyze the performance?
First thing, I ngibone iCongo eseyihlukile kunale esasidlale nabo, bebenokuzimisela. Remember bebe ne upper hand ukuthi basekhaya ihlwele bezibavuma yonke into ibavuma. However, I need to also address the fact that the approach Bafana for me was superb, was very good. Abantu uma ngabe kuukuthi environment hostile, kufanele vele ube laid back, igame ungayi approach ngendlela okade uyidlale ngayo. Remember ukuthi once uzofuna ukusebenzisa the very same approach, you might end up conceding a lot of goals because of confusion ezokwakhiwa ibona labantu besebenzisa ukuthi ufuna ukusebenzisa iapproach ekuwukuthi kwasayo wena izohamba ihambe iconfuse. Babe laid back, ba understand ukuthi hostility, the game itself, it becoming very hostile. Impi ehloleni inkulu, impi egroundini yabadlali inkulu, so akusafanele ufune ukuyimitha, I mean eye to eye or ear to ear, but sekufanele usebenzise umqondo, for which I think the players basebenzise umqondo kakhulu lapha. But okunyeke ukubabulele ukushintsha kwe outlook ye game ngokulimala kwakhe uThembazwane besibone ngathi ubethanda ukubalansa ngoba umdlalo aggressive ongenalo uvalo, especially mengaba abanye abadlali befila under pressure, unesibindi because uyazithemba, unamandla, unayo yonke ifiziko ocabanga ukuthi ngafuna emidlalweni, uaffectile ukuphuma kwakhe. But I think the approach of the players as a whole, the coach, the technical team towards that game was superb for me. And 1 point was enough looking at the hostile conditions that we are facing in Tax.
Yeah, mhlambe sisakusona isports sesivala nje. Izolo bekuyi birthday yashintsha Guluva. Umphathi weqembu elikhulu ngokwehlwele eSouth Africa. Mhlambe sesivala nje ungathini mhlambe ngayo ushintsha Guluva nendima ayidlalile ebholeni lase South Africa na kwiKaizer Chiefs nendawo esiyibona iqembu lakhe likuyona njengamanje?
He has played a very vital role in terms of building a force which is now recognized, a force which has won so many trophies, you know, even though some would say some were questionable somewhere somehow. But looking at how he built the Kaizer Chiefs, we saw a lot of vision around the man himself. We saw a lot of direction and commitment out of him, for which over the years uyikhulisile team wayibeka la kade ikhona. He changed a lot of things. Ushintsho olunye olubekhona esilibone ebholeni lase South Africa lufike naye ngokweqembu ungakafiki nje ekutheni he was part and parcel of changing the premiership, for which that involved him in the football fraternity in South Africa. iKaizer Chiefs yona self wayibeka ezingeni lokuthi abanye abantu bashintshe indlela perspective yabo yokubuka ibhola, indlela yokuthenga abadlali, indlela ye-marketing. A lot of things he has changed. Waphinde wathi mefika lapha yana ke sokhumbula kwakusese iCastle Premiership, wadlala indima enkulu ehlangeneke naye uMr Khoza nabanye bezama ukushintsha ibhola lase South Africa, bezama ukushintsha i-outlook yayo, i-approach yayo. Ningi akwenzile. I think kubhlungu ukubuka iqembu lakhe selehle kangaka in terms of ama-win, in terms of its dominance, but I think he had also himself to look back and reflected to ama-mistake awenzile alidele ekutheni iqembu ligcine selime khona, because kuthe ibhola malishintsha seliya more into a market value, akazange yena ayicommit lokho, waqhubeka wafuna ukubheka kuma development players, whereas ibhola seliyashintsha manje selibheka ekutheni yini ibhola maselishintsha lifika ekutheni uma uyisikhulu kufanele ubheke a ready product, into eseyakhiwe eseyiphelele uyithatha uyifake etimini ikwinele ama medals yena, whereas wafuna ukuqhubeka abhase kuma developmental structures, for which it made the team to not meet up with what the football is required at the present day.
Kunjalo ke umfowethu ukhuluma ke mhlambe ke ngento ekumele ayithintise umphathi weKaizer Chiefs ayibheke ngeqembu lakhe, kodwa kubuke ngathi izinto ziyashintsha under ucoach omusha okuyena uNazreddin Nabi. Insizwa yakho na le waseTunis?
Yes, waseTunis.
Yeah, bafowethu nodadewethu, ladies and gentlemen, siyayivala ke i-podcast yethu yanamhlanje. It's Durban Network. Siyabuya futhi, igama ngusiyabonga. Ngihamba no
Usabelo Ndabase. Siyabonga abafowethu for tuning in. Siyabonga ukusupport uhlelo lwethu. Please subscribe in numbers.
Yes, subscribe and share our videos. Nenze konke okuhle ngoba nathi sinilethele okuhle. Bye.